Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Rahmadi Asri with NPM 2313053164. In this video, I will analyze a fourth grade instructional video based on 5 pedagogical aspects. The first aspect is mastery and delivery of contents. At 1.18, the teacher begins the lesson by greeting the student. Then at 1.39, the teacher leads an icebreaker activity which helps encourage student enthusiasm and creates a positive classroom atmosphere. Next, at 3.5, the teacher connects the lesson with student pure knowledge. And at 4.54, the teacher explains the learning objectives so students understand what they are expected to achieve. In my opinion, the lesson is well structured, starting with the opening, appreciation, learning objective, and the main activity. The second aspect is the use of instructional media. At 9.38, students present the material using PowerPoint displayed on an LCD projector. This media effectively supports student understanding through visual presentation. An interesting point is that the teacher gives students the opportunity to present the material. This shows that the teacher acts as a facilitator rather than the only source of knowledge, reflecting student-centered learning. However, the lesson could be more engaging by using more varied images. The third aspect is formative assessment and feedback. At 14.57, the teacher encourages students to discuss and ask questions after presentation. This activity helps the teacher access student understanding during the learning process. And then at 16.50, the teacher provides feedback by reinforcing correct answers and clarifying concepts that are still unclear. The feedback is useful, although the teacher could ask more challenging questions to develop students' critical thinking. The fourth aspect is classroom management. The teacher manages the classroom effectively through the lesson. At 18.8, the teacher smoothly guides students from presentation and discussion to completing the worksheet. The transition between activities are well organized and students remain actively involved during the lesson. The fifth aspect is teacher communication. The teacher uses polite, clear, and simple language that is easy for students to understand. Instructions are given step by step, making each activity easy to follow. At 19.28, the teacher invites two students to merge the lesson together. This activity reinforces student understanding and shows effectively two-way communication between the teacher and the student. Based on my analysis, I conclude the teacher demonstrates good pedagogical competence through systematic instruction, effective use of learning media, formative assessment, good classroom management, and clear communication. The lesson also reflects to student-centered learning by encouraging students to present, discuss, and completing learning activities independently, while the teacher acts as a facilitator. Overall, the lesson is effectively although it could be further improved by using more interactive media and asking more challenging questions to enhance student critical thinking skill. That concludes in my presentation. Thank you for attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.